Hello everyone, this is the BESCOM Smart Meter Intelligence and Loss Detection System, an AI-powered decision support dashboard that turns raw smart meter data into predictive and actionable intelligence for the Bangalore Electricity Supply Company. This system works purely as a read-only intelligence layer, no modification to any existing BESCOM infrastructure. All data shown here is synthetic, no real consumer data is exposed. Let me walk you through the dashboard. Starting with the overview, we have 3 KPI cards at the top. The first shows over 247,000 active smart meters being tracked. The second shows current grid load risk. Right now it's normal with a 72.4% load factor. And the third shows 43 pending tamper and theft alerts, 12 critical, 31 under review. Below that is our live anomaly feed, a paginated table of meters flagged by our meta ensemble edge model. Each row shows the meter ID, zone, alert type like phase current drop or bypass suspected, a severity badge, a confidence score with a visual bar and the timestamp. When I clicked a flagged meter, the dashboard splits into 2 resizable panels. On the right we get the consumption analysis chart. This is our core anomaly detection visualization. The red line shows this household consumption over 24 hours. The dash grey line is the peer baseline, the Jayanagar zone average. See that big red dot at 14 hours. That's where consumption suddenly dropped to 0.3 kilowatt hours while the zone average was 1.5. That's a 79% deviation, a classic tamper or bypass signature. This is exactly the kind of sudden drop pattern that distinguishes suspicious behavior from normal variability. Below the chart we have the full meter investigation detail, consumer name, account number, address, meter type, sanction load, installation and last reading date. The alert history section shows open and resolved alerts for this meter. Now the action buttons. Initiate field inspection generates and downloads a complete work order file with meter details, open alerts and inspection instructions. Ready for the field team. Once dispatched, the button locks to prevent duplicates. Download report generates a comprehensive investigation report with the full 24-hour consumption data table, anomaly analysis and deviation percentage. And mark as reviewed, toggle the review status, making every action auditable. Moving to part A, localized demand prediction, 4 KPIs at the top, current system load in megawatts, peak demand forecasted at 20 hours, the 24-hour average load and our forecast accuracy, a MAPE of just 2.34%, well below the 3% threshold. The main chart shows our short-term load forecast. Red line is actual demand. The navy dash line is ML predicted demand for our XG boost plus LSTM hybrid ensemble, and the shaded band shows the confidence interval. We can switch to a weekly view showing demand versus forecast across the week. Scrolling down, the zone-wise load distribution chart compares current load, peak demand and installed capacity across 8 BESCOM zones. And here's the zone risk classification table. This is critical. Each zone gets a risk badge, high, moderate or normal, based on peak to capacity utilization. Whitefield at 87%, Indiranagar at 89% and Malleshwaram at 89.5% are flagged with evening peak warnings, matching the exact scenario from the theme. Clusters showing sharp evening peaks flagged for grid stress. On the right, model performance shows our accuracy metrics, a 38.2% improvement over simple historical average baseline and a false positive rate of just 4.1%, keeping false positive minimized and transparent. Finally, the audit log page. Every system action is logged for compliance, review, inspection dispatched, alert resolved, model retraining, each with timestamp, user role and status. The export CSV button downloads everything as a formatted CSV file for offline compliance reporting, and the officer profile dropdown shows the logged in SDO's complete detail, name, designation, employee ID, division, contact information, ensuring full accountability. To summarize, this system delivers accurate localized demand forecast, identifies high risk zone for grid stress, detect anomalies and potential theft with clear peer baseline comparison, and provide actionable, explainable and auditable outputs, all as a pure decision support layer and with zero modification to existing BESCOM systems. Thank you.